Michael St. Louis at the Firebird Tavern in Greektown, Detroit. And today we're going to be talking about the Kentucky Derby on May 4th. We'll walk through the basic steps of how to make a mint julep, little add-ons you can do, and some of the really important essentials for making a good classic cocktail. We'll be making the mint julep with, of course, good fresh mint. Bad mint makes a bad mint julep. And the most important thing, always having a good well-selected bourbon. So to make ours, we'll be starting off with about 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. And really the only part of the mint julep you can really screw up is don't over muddle your mint. You don't want to look like you got spinach in your teeth when you're trying to have a cocktail. A lot of people beat it to hell, they bruise it, they smash it to pieces. You just want to give it a little tender love. We'll be taking a nice generous pour of Woodford. Adding a bit of your crushed ice, not all the way to the top, because you want to make sure you incorporate all that syrup with the mint and the bourbon. Give that a good swirl around the glass a few times just to get it all incorporated. And then to make sure you keep the mint on the bottom of the glass, you top her off and give her a little garnish. And that's how you make a proper mint julep. So we hope to see you guys here dressed with your big hats, maybe your horse costumes, jockey outfits, and a lot of good fun. You can find all the details on Facebook, Instagram, or on our website, firebirdtavern.com.